Okay, now the train is going. 185137 going to Liverpool Lime Street from Scarborough. The 10:38 service. We also have a Northern Class 150 there on platform, whatever platform that is. I think it's 150 at least. I don't know where that one's going. It's 150, 143 in the new livery. It's just, oh, it looks like it's just terminated here. .150, 143. So yeah, York. Oh, and here comes in a cross-country Voyager service, which will be operating the 10:44 service to Exeter St David's. It's 2:20:002. One of the forecast sets going to Exeter St David's. I don't know where it's from. So yeah, see you next. This is the viewing balcony at York Station. So we've got a 91 Ford Mark IV set bound for King's Cross. Couldn't get the front, but at the back it's 91 129. Okay, departing now is another 225 set. 91 126 at the front. Nameplated Darlington Hippodrome. And 82213, they're going to Edinburgh from London King's Cross. Yeah. Here we have (185.145). Which is operating service from Manchester Airport to Middlesbrough. Okay, we come straight back in again. Here is 91-111 with a some sort of London North Eastern Railway service. I don't know where it's going. Oh, it's going to London King's Cross. With the, looks like it's the delayed 1605 service. So yeah, let's have a look here, see what turns up. York Station. Let's have a quick look what's here. So got a Northern Class 150 with a poster. So I believe this is 150 143 with reserves to Hull. So yeah, I don't know where the other platforms are. As 1644 says the Plymouth arrived. This is 221125 with a service for Plymouth. I don't know where it's from. Arriving on platform 3. Yeah. It's a long way here. Oh, there's a Transparent Express Class 68. Which I saw when we were arriving in from Scarborough. So yeah, so halfway across the footbridge, which is not good. Now departing is 221125, 1644 service to York. Just leaving there. Okay, here is 221132, going somewhere or the other. That is going to Newcastle, presumably from Reading. As it just heads past that junction in the National Railway Museum. And incoming now is a HST, which I believe is heading for Stirling. I'll check up on that in a minute. So you haven't got anything working yet. Okay, here it is. 43317. We have a Mark 3 set bound for... Yes, it is Stirling, platform 5. Very good. With a Transpennine Express service, just going, I believe, from Middlesbrough to Manchester Airport. Yep, just arrived on platform 9. Yep, running via Manchester Victoria. Departing now is the 1654 group. Keep trying to say Virgin East Coast. London North Eastern Railway service to Stirling from London King's Cross. Also the 1652 service from Middlesbrough to Manchester Airport, looks like it's about to leave as well. Let's get the rear of the HST though first. It is 43367 as H2231 arrives with a service to London King's Cross. Now the rear of this one is 91121. Okay, arriving in on platform 10 is a terminating Northern service. I believe it's from Hull. It's 158906. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 158906, whatever it was. No, that service was not from Hull, it's from Leeds. I can hear the Class 91 leaving with the set 1 Echo 19 from Edinburgh to King's Cross. If it goes. Okay, arriving in now, we have a Grand Central Class 180 going from Sunderland to King's Cross. Don't know the number. platform 5 Alpha, so it's going to stop a bit further down the platform. I said you can't get the numbers because it's not directly said on the train. It's annoying. Also to come a slightly late running Transpennine Express service to Newcastle, which I believe is from Manchester Airport, so we'll have a look at that in a minute, which is right on platform 11. I don't know what platform 1 is, because they said there was a slap platform there. Okay, we're right in the sun here, but on that distant platform there is a Transpennine Express class 185, that's going from Manchester Airport to Newcastle via Piccadilly and Victoria. So that's 185136. I'm filming completely the wrong place. And then very low quality by the looks of it as well. So yeah, that's not ideal. The door's opening just there. 111. Trying to avoid getting too close to these trains. As in too far away from these trains. Okay, let's see what else is going on here. Now is the 1706 Grand Central service from Sunderland to King's Cross. Okay. Yes, the Transpennine Express service to Newcastle is departing behind me. Okay, let's see what else turns up now. This beautiful York Station, which is a Monday today, but still quite busy, as you'd expect. Okay, arriving now. It is 185105 with the 1707 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Newcastle. Just very busy. There you go. Calling at Leeds, Huddersfield, Manchester Victoria, Newton Le Willows and Liverpool Lime Street. If I've said all those stations correctly. We'll watch that depart in a minute.